Good one. Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today, let us read this fantastic story, Anyikol Yurchol, title Raan ku Koor ku Aguek. E golila, water Raan etotin kek mande. Na wen kanek chok gokal lo big miet la lim roar. Gokal lodge la nok ku wich ka duk panden. Na wen duka go dol mar dol biketin go kat tim mach kwany ku liu mach go un nyin korting kadep ku leg mande bela diech go mande lo ku yokor katiech tabi yentin go met rioj bichi cham ekor kulwelela ewa yen awijin go kor met bot chok kwe tato untin go un lwel yin bany an achagwangich lo nek chok yin bany an achagwangich lo nek chok yin gwameto bi chol baban balane ben chwit go kor lwel kaya go mony gam e kaya go kor lwel kapat chol mandu achwet loch ku jal mandu chwet ku bayin jal chwet go mony lwel na ye kaya ko wok wich ku raan bul luongda ting wen jam yen kala ka gwang ditot tul ku tiech wen jam yen kala ka agwang ditot tul ku tiech ye wed ngo wedun go mony wen lekke chilwel iben go agwak jal jam rol dit ekaya chol mandu achwet loch ku yin chwet mandu bu kor yi jal chwet ku aba kor jal chwet aba dok piny ekaya chol mandu achwet loch ku yin chwet mandu bu kor yi jal chwet ku ba kor jal chwet na wen piny kor welka ku chiran jam ting ka duk chien ta wen jel yentin go mony wen kek bande jalaya yenakan. This is a very nice story, guys. You need to read it very well, and yeah, it's very nice. And you call Jurcho. Raan, ku Koor, ku Aguek. There are three characters here. We have Raan mean a big man, ku Koor mean lion, Aguek mean frog. Ilwe water Raan etotin kikmande. Long time ago, there was a man with his son. Now one connect chok go ka lo big miet la lim roll. Guys, please watch the full video in our YouTube and try to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And the name of the YouTube channel is called Dinka Malwal Academy. Like the video and share the video. Thank you very much. I'm William.